So starting with some of the productivity enhancements, there's a new component alignment enhancement that's been undertaken. It allows you to align edges of the components, bottom or top, left or right. We can also specify equal spacing between components. And if you have the Allegro designer package, you can also use the Dfa Constraints to set spacing for components. There's also increment and decrement controls to adjust spacing to specific parameters. So if I go into the placement edit mode and I swipe a window around these components and I right mouse button, I can select align components, and I get this new option menu where I can align to the center, top components, or bottom. I can also set equal spacing, so if I want these to be 200 mils apart, I can, or 220, let's say we do that. I can specifically dial in exactly how much spacing I want between them. I can also use the increment or decrement key and a value here to change the spacing. If I have the Allegro package, I can also use this thing called Dfa Constraints, which uses a constraint table which specifies values between different orientations of components. So if I use the Dfa Constraints, I can now bump those parts as a function of what the table says in the Dfa Constraint Manager. If I select this group of parts here and I perform the align function here, and if I set them to the Dfa Constraints, you can now see what those values are. And if I take and I move one of these components, you'll see there's a little bubble that appears. That's from the Dfa Constraint table.